Okay, so I don't know if y'all can hear me over the sound of that engine, but that is what it sounds like. It sounds insanely good. I think I'm gonna turn off the car right now. So yeah, that was way too loud, but I guess I'll just kind of go into what I've done with the car now. So, obviously, these are not the standard exhaust tips that you get. So they're more of like a square kind of rhombus design. So yeah, I installed these quad tip exhaust ports. They just slide right over either the factory muffler or the M Performance muffler. And then obviously this is not the stock diffuser, and also doesn't come with winglets either, so I did install the full Adro body kit on this car. It gives it a really aggressive profile. And then here is the rear spoiler. I absolutely love this thing. I adore it. It looks so good. It really just like redefines the rear of this car. Same with the diffuser. Moving along the side, I did get floating center caps, which are cool because it always keeps the logo upright. And then Adro side skirt. I also got a little graphic done. So BMW M tricolor racing stripe along the side. I think it looks really good with the Alpine white. I think that's like literally the only color that these stripes would look good with. Gloss black roof wrap too. So I didn't really like how this sunroof kind of just like sticks out along the originally white roof, so just making it completely gloss black kind of, I guess it kind of fixes it, or just like hides it a little bit more. Carbon fiber mirror caps, and then the Adro front lip with winglets along the side. And so yeah, that just about does it for the outside. And then moving along inside, I got the red start stop button pulled directly from those G87s, G80s, G82s. And then the previous model, like the, I believe iDrive 7 model, like G80s and G82s had like this model logo on the center console, so I got like a little decal for that. For the M240i, I don't know why BMW got rid of that. These things were sick. It kind of sucks that they stopped doing it on the iDrive 8 Plus models. And then you guys definitely can't see it right now in the daylight, but there's supposed to be like these door lights. Maybe I'll put like a picture or like a little video of it right now. But just like installed it underneath. But yeah. So let's start the car back up actually. Yeah, the warm startups they put a smile on my face. That was kind of cringe, but it's true. It really does make me happy to hear. But yeah, I think that about covers it. I mean, I just kind of talked about what I've done with the car. I'll just put on some driving clips now. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. What else should I do to this car?